What's up, everybody? This is Tony B from Valley Pressure. I got a call today from a client. He was looking to have his solar panels cleaned. Shot him over a quote. He agreed and then set it up. Was over there to get these things going, get them back shiny like brand new, get them operating at their maximum potential. You know, a lot of manufacturers recommend to just use water, filtered water, a soft bristle brush. Some people say to squeegee. If you use filtered water, there's no need to squeegee afterwards because the water dries clear. That it doesn't leave any watermarks, right? So yeah, as you can see, I'm using the water. I'm using this soft bristle brush that I've got, um, and just scrubbing, just basically scrubbing and getting all that dirt off, using mechanical action of the brush to yeah just scrub it all off, and then once it's all scrub-a-dubbed, then I just rinse it down with the filtered water, and bada bing, it's basically good. Once it dries, it'll look brand new, be functioning at max potential, and yeah, you'll get the most out of those panels. So for best results, call a pro. I'd be happy to give you a quote and get this done for you. Give me a call. Thanks.